Kublai pi baro ka kerteng jonga ka dei kaniwan roy diang do ngawan yalam pi sha ka accentuate ka ban pen itu ka ban pentip pi ban pentibet shu ya ka jing penriam mat ka jing penitana ki kintai ki shinrang ki bon bha ki samla ha kani ka jok ka bamta ki bawat lat ki bawat yala ki sap kumnu kin pintrekam shei kin wat ka takalenti te kani ka dei ka waina ki centers ka bala pan yalam pi ringkat ba ibadat penyauta iban ai ka training ki ba pher hakaliang ka jing penitenan ba ka jing penipu ipen ipiang ya ka dor khman jong pi badap ni priang sobha ba yang pi sashi na ka channel jongi kuma phila batai bania ha ka previous episodes ka bladam nei tengang ko abantip manta hakanu karta phizang ban shamila di phizang ban song thu ba phidon ya ka sab ban pen khria ban penitibet ya ki priu khamtam ban ai mensiem ya ki priu ka badan ha ka jala jongi
ngala stang ya ni perkhat ele dok po dang kelas 3 kelas 5 kelas gitu hi masih sunat ele pampen Nongpynbhabriew ki palop samarjan tu ki kena banyak kai bagam tu kisnu tu and then ski dia kan ada kelas 10 kelas 12 dan kuat balik ada kurs mo and then beli kalat yang maka government Niuhkhlieh mangayo ada kurs karena sebanglo kat tu kan trisha po BPO swa ketika how arjan rio ngatrain te how some arjan new tu ngayo ketika ni po advertisement po newspaper long times baka ai ka government Niuhkhlieh ba kita ko man apply dekat course ko po UK mo ketika ketengkeri habia po UK I apply the course and then ngap interview ngap ki selection process ngam tu dan ayo tu ngai puli dekat course po Delhi kadang-kadang ajar kendai mas ni course tu ngayo kam hiru banga de topo jonga ha batch jonga awas topo mo nang tu ski ngayo kam po salon nang salon ngayo kam po kam here salon show nang tu dengan sa trisi kam ni bai kai kamu po my cosmetic pak training ba arsam steng po Delhi po ILFS skills India po Delhi kamu trainer nang tu de my last job so bangan pli kan ka jangan hikai ni po salon badi ko bi assistant professor beauty and styling po Delhi Pearl Academy one of the top fashion academy in India dan waktu dengan kuat dengan pai Islam wan sedang nak jong lah kuat nak terang hino kemas post demonstrasi orang kuat dengan pai si yang sedang nak jongan ini wan pun ai tiba-tiba kena sebab Selong sebab Niuhkhlieh ke kasap bangla dan le ke bangla learn sathi wan dalam sini po Selong kan
kat nu ka jing sultanan bangin tip ba kani ka jingya ilti jong pi ba pin pentibet ildi hak institute ba pher hak India ringkat abroad rung ngai dia ke ba penlong pi ba pin yo kum ka kanja support na ki khna jong pi ki ba wan chapi hatu pi plelenti na ka banta kini ki khna ki bala don briu ru kini ki khna ki berangsa ki me ka paru bar ki jing kershan bar kini ki motivations ki ba pi aya ki
po play ani academy ki dan ki student nga bala nga hikai min suaru ki wan ni ka training ba ai ka one day training support nong strength ba po Selong club kini ka ba sponsor da ka government of Niuhkhlieh chief minister of Niuhkhlieh lang tu kini student ba kwa ban enroll nga ta po kan support Delhi kan hikai yong so nga kwa ban wan hikai kwa man learn pit ma pimdan academy sini si no mo swa lang mo ang film swa ba support dem swa nga kwa an play sini la ka jong ti ublay play kala nga ban yo an play la ka jong sini min system and kitu student ba ko ang ba kwa ban enroll nga kan ti ki contact nga nga kali ki ong dan ba support mi pi yeng ki oi so I lok jonga I me nga ki men parang ki support nga ti ka dokumen sebut kan ba ki support menta kan law menta ki student nga ni ba puli ba kan ni ki bla dan lan lok mo dan kon ru ni ki adjust ka timing jo ki wana jonga sini pi kwa man learn ya kata ka jing man ya kata ka jing hikai kan ba ai mga dan ki kena ba ko join ni ndai I kena ki ba himba sem ki ong am kim kwa bagi mut ba kani ka kam kani ka lain ka long long tat no si ong ta beri ka matri po bi pala matri po bi pala pri hadom ta ndai kam dei kam ta re kedu kam ba de tri hok emle blei rap phi kani ka kam ko ram awala buram phi kan
ka pen mat sha yang ba bangani asngoi phi ba pin kan yang kita ki kentien ki ba kanu ki mi ka ki alat mo bakin kershan dengan begitu ki beri ki bala don kurim rumah ngiyo ki khana ham saya hatu pen be janga mo le si ki nim de ki khana ham saya Bapila tray bagi niki celebrities, lagi niki kaitor ki badan syabar mo. Rengkat bagi niki Bollywood actors, nang tadi bagi niki actors ki bashim bantah ki niki series kum ke Netflix mo. Tapi lah man batay ngi kat tu kat niki kerteng jo kita ki actors, but ki jingia ki bapia kendo. Hapa dengan jingia lanti jo pi berkata.
Ngala tray la bon stem bantah syabar and lembar jing tray jangan syabar ngai kendo bon ki jing eru and then ups and down mo mereka basuk kelong kom tu roller coaster besi pelum-pelum tu ya ayam tu sepang akhir sepang kiu atau bat ling bak jing tray stem jangan ada uplay kalat dia bangan New York kendo ki celebrities kan kum ne hadu pia and then Kaliani Chawla kini she is a brand ambassador of Dior entah ina nak jangka brand di one of the top celebrity India meiru and then Shalini Pasi kidang bolsho ki top model kum Lakshmi Rana bang atre kiru so atre ki kam dek basuk mo balai ba kilong tip em kilong maki kilong fasi kilong long ka kilong fasi kilong finicky pena ta usnu makeup tu so maki bikin cut ki makeup artist tu kita picture so I'm so blessed kan bang like grateful also bang like they take me as an artist bikin so ngelak trip ki la khas lementa lights lementa and kami bang ale transition ya ka create makeup and hairstyle ki la lights out scene so recently tu bang ale ka show bang ale any makeup on Netflix ka Bollywood Wives and Fabulous Lives ngale makeup ekiro and then it was so nice because but them also you get to know, you get to learn many things more also you learn to be like strong because kama ong human mene ba kamne was sup and trade begini celebrities kilong very finicky very fussy mo kin le snu le amto le makeup amto ki ong le law biang amto different patience mlong amto so when reach to work with the celebrities you need lots of practice and confidence
Right.
so ibang along mtang niru because of my hard work and my dedication, my commitment. Yeah.
Ka even sim shay na bang niya smoya kataru na marba. Kalong shisha ka ika thong mo bagin poy siya jing job. Te ngangit ba kata ka thong job pi kala pan poy shay pi hadu ka jing job. Kung mangitip ba ka jala jongi mentamo badap ki bon ba kini ki beauty academies ki ba playlat ba ki ba ailat kini ki khana jongi mo ki samla jongi kini mungkin ya chakmat bakin pentrika me ta sap jongi mo. Te ki donru kini ki khna ki ba khmilinti bakin yola di kita ki free service academies kin hatu pila jile tuwa jingmut lani pila ju approach ka government bakan ai kum kata ka jingira be phi ban play kata ka academy ka ban ailat ya ki samla bakin yo kata ka free academy kena bakin yo kata ka training bakin yo ban stang ka freelancing je kiro hatu pila ju tuwa jingmut kum kita badap
empat ju approach ka government sepang depan panjarap sepang pan yarap kena ibamla kot dari mo gibun ba inquire na po asdong po long kondong ki fun man ka por damden ni fun ibi kong nga yong baka fees la khamrem tinga ngamla ong ka fees nga banga ai nim taru kamri ka ba rem kamri ba tat kamri bodok nong ngaru mo ti ban approach ka government ka paju approach ka ni mensyang la ju ya kanika la government dong chief minister office moment ong pimen ne chief minister of Niuhkhlieh ki sponsor nga bali ka master class po Shillong club bali ho arjar arpo par ko ngale manakani arjar fly Shillong stone so kum kita ngayo mga ya kando bayarap yang am tu ndai ban spang kali man ai kai ti ngapat jio
ti piran batay ngi knet spang ka journey jong pi ha ba piladon ha kanik academy menta ba di ba badap kum kinu ki kinja make up ki ba thamai ki ba phila learn na kani but ki experiences ki ba pinang boot ba pinang yalam nanti syakmat latnya kani
ka training ka bangali menta kadi jong ka 3 months course
3 months course all right
ti kadi ya kani ka bangali menta kadi ka bridal ya ka wala adap pade ya ka evening baka di
all right okay ti hatu pidang don jing tmu ne em bapin seng ya ka business la dia ha kani ka benta ha ka make up and hair academy
doktor memang orang kualit sakani ka 1 month course kadi jong kata ka prosthetic makeup
kadup nai menta kala don kata ka training jong pi ha kani ka institute jong i badap nyota but ki experiences ka bapi ko banra na kani ka academy hatu don pren jong pi bala bata ya kata
ka bamenta ngi adap ya ka 3 month course de menta ki kabalngile menta ki de ka jongka 1 month 1.5 month ka de jongka prosthetic makeup
prosthetics makeup okay flan mata ngi kindiat chpang kata
kan ne ka prosthetic makeup ka de ka long kumba kabaningkong duk bawan le anya Shillong Niuhkhlieh joki te baru kini ki make up bangile jongka 3 months course ni ayo bun ki experience kum batray backstage baki models teru haki kum ki school events ha kum ha senior schools teru but isa isit ngat financing te isit khat lang yangi kumtu
Tidak kata kom long pio kan kala kabuk siar mo bapinya don mentah kita ki berpengkre.
Teru ngiyo bun confidence na isa mentah. Teru kumno ban interact baki customers te kadang penkiu susu ini.
Bada batu pila ban bata yang ikan dia. Siapang kani ke prosthetics ke bapimut sedang ban ai we ni ki perlok jopi ibo. Te pila bata ibni ini siapang ki jing ki products bapin penan kam hakani mentah.
Okay. Ki product bang use mentah ki compare baki yung kamle benta bang kasimo ki bang ile tang films ki film horror bi film kusut mi kyong kusut film ya show la pat la ya show antu la pat kas do tu ti ki product kita no po brand Krylon ki German brand so kini ihap orang na po bar ki wana po Chennai ding ba ka Chennai na po Germany so ki simple ang poiru
Let's say kadon ni am ka chances mo. Let's say kadon ni am ka lat ba kibrio onda kila penan kami ni prosthetics bikin don ni ki side effects sakas ni do jongki. Bada?
They all are tested by dermatologists tested mo and then it's safe for the skin to use.
Di hatu pila bata ingi ka lada video kanu kanja collaboration kinu ki brand products.
Collaboration we already done with MAC Cosmetics.
MAC Cosmetics.
Yeah, MAC Cosmetics.
Wow.
Yeah. And recently ngai lam student ngai po MAC tala asin gile ante gile yo hands on practice mo and then you get this free master class nakteru and moreover Niuhkhlieh sound shlamta
Niuhkhlieh.
So for the student after the course they finish they can apply for the job interview.
Ti pila ampan ingi kendiat siapang kumno penan kami ki prosthetics makeup jongpi.
Okay, teman-teman la prepping the skin la ta primer la ta moisturizer. Now I'm shimmy ka wax ketika kamlang technical ni ki kong ki SFX wax.
Alright.
So I'm just applying this on the skin because I want to have that cut here. So you need to blend on the skin. So kini ki look ni ha kini ki film. And recently nang le ka shoot na kani one Khasi movie. Khasi Gentle movie ketika film belong ba dan kim kini ki jat
Film yakun kan ki film ki villain skin.
So I'm happy as long ta ladum ki look mo because ki babop nei da only ngamane yang he was so happy because ngai thuk ong kwa ban le look kum ki ne he was happy ki me iru
Kanu kanta kani kan ne hakas ni do jo ki brio bada?
Kani abit ada la laum tu la wing tu.
Alright. Kamar kelas kem kalau long glut be hakas skin. Ti halor ka collaboration jo ki ringkat ba ka MAC bat ka Niuhkhlieh nei. Pila jo sponsor si ni am hakaliang kata.
Sponsor na po na piong government dia. Nakabrand. Sponsor yes ki I discount ki I free masterclass discount for my student and also like masterclass is more than enough no ki I free masterclass meki. So I'm very happy.
Lovely.
And also platform for the interview can because first preference ki I my student because I know the person the MRO the marketing regional officer na po Delhi.
Hatu kila don ni am ki khna shnrang ha ka jala jangi ki belawan ban kendu shapi ban penpau ya ka jing sngotanat joki ha ka liang ka jing penkre pentebet ba badam
Kita khna ba clear course but maman shwa ngong pi men ba kimla ban afford kin khna ba ko ban le course. Dei ti kimla kot ken.
Em ki kin thenga so thu ki bun ki shnrang do ki bun ba ki ban sap kumpi pi de iwe ni ki nong penpau iban sediri nong iwe ni ki nong ai nuksa nong ai mensi mo ki brio mo ba om tang ka kan thei ka la ban tre ka ni ka ban ta ni shnrang ro la mo
Shnrang ro ha
ti hatu ki la don em ki shnrang ki bon mi shapi
mentang pada shnrang pa tai bi ba lim na ka ni
ha
nei bun kan thei hi pa kwa shnrang ro because this feel em le sabal majority ba tai ne ka feel ba tai mi shnrang sudah
right
yeah
haga jala shabadele ya ki bun ba ki ni ki celebrities ni ki actor actress la bun ba pen create ni ki shnrang te bun na pleng jopi ki ba perkhat bat ki ba Syong kan randien berperkat bagi mla man peniat khmat dia ni ka sab jungi wan ka accentuate sa sien ngong epi kana ma penla man pen trekam ma penyo agi trainings ka bapher ha kalian ka jing pentebit man khap snyo ka jing pentebit man peni phu epi ka dur khman ba ka jing pentebit ka ba kampla kata kum ka prosthetics makeup.
So right now I'm applying a latex. It's one of the wax that we use in prosthetic makeup. It's called latex mo, latex. So kani ka we got latex, kani ka SFX wax. Apply with a broken sponge into, and then you have to put habanta alay layer into habangan been dried it and dried it okay. Next I'm using this color. It's called color wheel. It's different than this color that we make up makapur. So here mid makeup ngunjule blending mo kumule makeup tiki party makeup aim to ngunjule it has to look a little messy.
There are so many issues related to skin and hair etc. that we are unaware of and that lead to several problems. The expert trained to handle these types of issues, and therefore you need not to worry about them. There are some sensitive tissues in the skin that might get damaged easily if not handled properly. The expert is highly experienced to take care of these issues carefully. This is another major reason why the expert, Shri Badap Nyota, is preferred by people. They need not to worry as how to take better care of their skin, as the professionalist is there to handle all the things.
Oh my god, this is so real now. Bobby, open your eyes. God, okay, I'm put very interesting part. You can shoot this part. Eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes. Open your eyes, open. Okay, so we have done. Please look. Let's put a little more blood weight.
Kalau ipura bahkan ni ka make up mentah badap kalong sha kum kata ka way niki dur khamat ka bangi ki Halloween pictures mo kini ki what do we say
For films, for boxing.
Hot.
So
ki film ya short, film ya khud mo.
It's a quick demonstration. So
kalong sha ka ki bai internet mo kini baru khoi pipinon kam degi ki products ka phila batai mane yangi. Right, lovely.
So a lot of people here po Shillong kini bersna film kile dikta lipstick ta ki but kim long real te so
mun sin mangi kidong pejrung inda pejrung yong itu kate ka balong kai ne kani sha te ka long pad ipu ipieng sha ka dapat internet sha nginde pej ibob mentarung i kumbai na sudah wan yakun te kalong sha ka benta ka ba khlan sha na kalian ka makeup product mo. Bob filak man batai ni khniat chang kani ka makeup ka badan ka dur khmat jok phi manta hatu ka panlong irritate ka skin jok phi manta ne hatu ka long pensat ka sni do jok phi plan batai khniat ingi chang kani
menta ngam so program ka long very natural, very realistic kani ka way ka bang pat ju kham yo i ne shi tan ki dur bi bada shi pose dai ban yo banta ka dur jong la jong ka long sha ke bo stanan so ban jaro ai bada shi ka sak ka talan bi dan thì yeah cầm dan kan unu ka itching cầm dan kan unu ka kanja irritation on my skin kalong very natural very subtle
Tidak ketua ngilas ngutu shai ba ibadap iwan ra shai ki products ki ba taman pen internet ban pen ipui ka skin ya ka sni do Jingiakynduh hindi ka ban pen sngot tanat ru ya ka lor nyeng baro koi Timen tapi sedang ya ka i badap
Betul kan I kau ka quick demo jong smoky eyes ba bol ni kan thei ki tray ki ba ki make ki function ko ta hamo smoky eyes thì smoky eyes ki bun smoky eyes dengan black smoky eyes dan ka brown smoky eyes ki hab ki classic smoky eyes kini dan ki shimmer smoky eyes shimmer ka eye glitters on top there thì ngan pdi wi ham isuk menta kang ba ki ba page ni program kita ban try kan hayang sama
Tapi sedang show ki kino ki products flan pen
I have to apply first. It's very important to put eye base mo. So I'm using this eye base from MAC. It's called laying it low. So eye base it helps to mattifying. Makanum key atau eyeshadow kanum move kan. Mo you apply on eyelid with a brush. So it's different from eye primer, eye base. Don't ki boleh ba confuse ki ong ba eye base kalong kumlo ka primer kumlo. Primer again it helps to mattifying mo. Yang atau eyelid kelama ke eyeshadow kan long last long stay long kan kamne slim bakam jo ke eye base sudah stays long also help to eyeshadow bahkan pop out more ketika eyeshadow kan. So next I'm using this pencil. It's from Chamber. It's a smudgeable pencil. You smudge there onto it and then you can take a brush. You can smudge it. So I'm doing a quick smoky eyes, a blending brush with this long fluffy in it, and then smudge it and then blend, smudge and blend, and then it takes another brush, just blend it, backward, forward.
Lovely.
Okay. Now I'll complete other side also.
Tu kong Jacqueline Riley flan batai kan dia chipang ka jingkong san jom kani ka makeup ringti bat ka riam ka bet.
I think makeup is very important mo ni barokhan.
Jackie Nongpynbhabriew fingi kan dia chipang ka makeup line mo ba bunsin ki brew kinda yatho lani kinda dikini ki maid of honor lani kini ki bridesmaids mo. Teng kiju perkhat bakinda tak ki light makeup ru kala itna ta to phi recommend kini ki light makeup for these brides kini ki bridesmaids kala itna ni hatu ka haplong heavy vai.
Well, I think at the end of the day it depends on the bride nei kwa ka theme you ka makeup you equa light ne dark accordingly but there makeup artist kila can go according to what the brides want. But I think it's very important that you have to have makeup no matter what. That goes with you, your features, your eyes, your looks, and the dress as well. That would go along, okay? I feel that is very important, yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah. I'm just picking a bit of this concealer from Tarte more. It's medium shade, just to highlight the under the eyes more.
Okay, what does that helps?
This help to blend, also help to push the product in the skin.
Alright.
Do you skin tone in here? That's it. I'll use okay, so I'm putting this highlighter from Dior just to highlight the cheekbones. So last I'll just put a blush from Jackie, see?
Love it.
Kung kino ki kinja brands play piju punan kam nam ta ki lipsticks.
Oh, I use Too Faced, I use Huda, Ceylon, and I use She Glam also. So I have this beautiful blush for She Glam, it's a liquid blush, best high grade.
Lovely.
Okay, long lasting, especially for bridal and
Okay.
liquid you can apply here and then apply powder on top there.
Alright.
It's very important if you have a strong eye makeup black smoky eyes, you can go for a very subtle lipstick, lip shade. Or if you have a strong lips, I mean strong color, if your eyes have long light there. Come take it. They won't quite long strong dark no more. Again, lipstick when it comes to lips, you have to put first a lip primer. And then you apply your lipstick. So we are done. I'll just put the last with this lip gloss from MAC. It's called Huggable. Huggable is beautiful color. So I'll just share one tips. Whenever you put a gloss, put gloss ki bapet yari program ki the ladies. So put gloss, baru tak berapa usah bleed. Tak only on the center, it will like spread by itself. More otherwise, a lot of people tak gloss to along. Especially if you have a fuller lips, she has a fuller lips, so make more fuller the lip tint. More so that's a tip. And also, if you have again a fuller lip, then you have to maybe you can darken the lip line a bit and then put a lighter shade at the center, like the kind of like belong ki ombre lip mo, ombre hairstyle, ombre hair color. Sorry, ombre hair color. Siki lips ukidun ombre lips mo, light to dark, dark to light is ombre mo. Okay. So we're done with Jackie. A quick one.
Now I know where to recommend my customers, all the brides in Shillong who want it
Thank you
to
so
look
much.
beautiful on the big day, I guess. Thank you.
In the present day, hectic lifestyle, people find little or no more time for themselves. In this case, when we spend some time in beauty parlor, it proves very much helpful in refurbishing the balance of our mind and relaxes in a peaceful environment. It is therefore clear as why people like beauty parlors. It is a place where you can find the best care for your looks and enhance your personality. One can avail all these benefits from the Accentuate Academy that is situated at Don Bosco Niuhkhlieh, having the team of expert and experienced members. To make the search of best beauty parlors easy, you can rely on the online portals.
Tingila po siya kabanta ka bakado habang hakabangan bu ka jingkili ka bakado yay badap. Tikibon ba kikintay ha kanika generation jongi mo kung mga lapon paway pimine ka jingkili ka baning kong bakilong insecure ya ka snedo jong kini. Temantangan wan siya o hairstyle mo. Ti kumanta ki don kibriyo ki badon ka round shape ki badon ka square shape ha ka dur kama jong kini. Ka ideal ni ka tips ka bapila ban ay ki. Hatu pila na batayang ikindiat pang kata.
Namta kata pila wana po accentuate. Hungry.
Right.
And so on ki form and ki form la your online do. But the best bawan sunal po academy hi kana niya batay niya IP course.
So for that, do not forget to come to Accentuate. Do not forget to follow Badap Hinyota on Instagram, and do not forget to get your forms. Thank you so much. Hadin ka to Jingiakynduh but ibadap Hinyota. Ibadiru iwi ni kinong shampang. Yakanika Accentuate Makeup and Hair Academy. Ngakarpad ba kantu. Yakikmik pa ba ikisamla. To one shakmat. One shakani academy. Kanang mapinyo ka jing pentibet ki baper. Hakaliang ka jing penipiyang yakador kama jong pi. Kabadon hang ni ha Niuhkhlieh. Hajan ka office Access Bank. Lad niya kataru. Pilaban ay. Yaki CVs jong pi. Ling ba ki forms. Ki ba ay na kanika office. Na kanika academy. Lad niya kataru. Pilaban led haka website Accentuate. The dakini ki kubor man takasi ngangait skem. Pila yo man siem. But plus ngaw tanan. But ngam ika kubor jongi. Kublay shibon.